Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 5th. In video number 4th, I have already discussed about preparation of alcohol, and in this video I am going to tell you about chemical reactions of alcohol. Chemical reactions of alcohol explained by two types: cleavage of OH bond, second is cleavage of CO bond. So cleavage of OH bond explained by three types of method. First with active metal, second with acids, and third is oxidation. And cleavage of CO bond explained by first reaction ROH with halogen acid, Lucas test, second ROH with PX3, and third is dehydration of alcohol, and fourth is reduction of alcohol. So this is the table form, and you learn easily way by this way. So first, cleavage of OH bond. So first I discuss ROH. ROH. So first cleavage of OH bond. So that means in this way this bond is break. So first cleavage of OH bond this way, and then second cleavage of CO bond. So R carbon form like CH3OH. So next cleavage of CO, this CO bond, this bond break. So this is chemical reactions of explain cleavage of OH bond, and this chemical reaction express cleavage of CO bond. So first I explain first with active metal. Reaction of alcohol with active metal. So active metal like sodium, magnesium and aluminium, and whenever alcohol react with active metal, so liberate hydrogen gas. It is most important property whenever alcohol react with active metal, so liberate H2 gas. Like I will take example methanol, CH3OH. So react with Na, sodium. So this is cleavage of OH bond. That is means this bond is break. So this bond is break. So 2H liberate as a hydrogen gas, and then CH3O react with Na. So formation CH3O Na. So name is sodium 1 carbon methane, and oxide form, so name is sodium methoxide. Second reaction when ethanol react with magnesium, so this cleavage of OH, that is means this bond is break, so react with magnesium and H2 hydrogen gas liberate. So C2H5 whole twice magnesium, so its name is magnesium 2 carbon, so ethoxide. Third reaction CH3OH react with Al, aluminium, and aluminium here you see Na always +1 valency, magnesium +2 valency, Al +3 valency. So react with methanol, so this bond is break, cleavage of OH. So CH3O react with Al, so CH3O whole thrice Al, and H hydrogen gas liberate. So this is the first method, reaction of ROH with active metal. Second is esterification. So esterification, that is means formation of ester, RCOOR. So when alcohol react with acid that is means RCOOH in the presence of acid catalyst, so to form ester. So I will take ROH alcohol, example like CH3 CH2OH ethanol, and acid example benzoic acid I will take C6H5COOH. So cleavage of OH, this benzoic acid, so cleavage of OH this way, and here C6H5CO, this bond is break. So this OH and this H2O form, and product C6H5CO CH2CH3. So this is form RCOOR, and R at the place of R, C6H5, and second R, CH2CH3, and its name is, this is substituent group, ethyl, 1 and 2 carbon ethyl group, and attached with benzene and ester group, so suffix for ester, oit, so benzoate, so ethyl benzoate. When benzoic acid react with methanol, so benzoic acid react with methanol, so cleavage of this OH bond, so cleavage of this OH bond, so CH3O, C6H5COO, here also this bond is break, so C6H5COOCH3, and HOH, H2O remove. So when benzoic acid react with methanol, labeled with radioactive O18, and O18 proves during esterification the H plus from alcohol and OH minus from acid are removed as a water molecule. That is means always cleavage of OH of alcohol, not a from benzoic acid, acidic form. Then third method is oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation of alcohol, this is reaction used for detection of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohols. So we have to use reagent, oxidizing agent, because for oxidation we require agent, so oxidizing agent, so chromic acid, H2CrO4, and second oxidizing agent potassium permanganate we have to use, and third oxidizing agent PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. As you wish, any oxidizing agent you have to use in the oxidation of alcohol. So what is the pyridinium chlorochromate, PCC? So pyridine, this structure of pyridine, nitrogen attached in this ring, and CrO3, chromium trioxide, react with HCl. So this CrO3 HCl react with pyridine, so complex are formed. See, this benzene and given to electron pair to Cl, so N positive, and hydrogen attached with H, CrO3 also attached, Cl minus. So its name pyridinium chlorochromate because negative ion form. And Na2Cr2O7, otherwise K2Cr2O7, KMnO4, 3 are strong, but PCC mild oxidizing agent. Sodium chromate we take react with sulfuric acid, so formation dichromate. This Na replace H2. So H2Cr2O7, this bond is, this type of bond is break, H2Cr2O7 and Na2SO4 replace. So its name is dichromic acid, and again rearrangement, so 2H2Cr O4, formation of chromic acid. So any oxidizing agent you have to use for oxidation of alcohol. So first is oxidation of 1 degree alcohol. So first I will take ethanol, CH3CH2OH, and oxidizing agent we have to use in oxidation. So whenever we have to use oxidizing agent, so nascent oxygen are appear, and nascent oxygen used in oxidation. So this nascent oxygen, single O, react with ethanol, so formation C, CH3CHO, and this H2 remove. Then ethanol are formed. Again oxidizing agent are used, so oxygen add CH3COOH, ethanoic acid, 1 and 2 carbon, ethane plus oic acid, 4 carboxylic acid suffix, so ethanoic acid. But in PCC, whenever we take PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, we will take. So nascent oxygen attach, H2O remove, so CH3CHO ethanol only form. Otherwise we take strong acid, a strong oxidizing agent, so complete reaction follow and acid are formed. Otherwise mild oxidizing agent we take, so only intermediate are formed, first product only form. CH2Cl2 anhydrous solvent also we have to used in this reaction. Next, oxidation of 2-degree alcohol. 2-degree alcohol, that is means oxidation of 1-degree alcohol always form 1-degree. Oxidation of 1-degree alcohol always form acid. First aldehyde and second again oxidation, so aldehyde form. But oxidation of 2-degree alcohol always give ketone. Like this example, CH3CHOH OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach to carbon, that is means secondary, and its name 1 2 3 propane, and second all attach, so to propanate. Oxidation of this compound in the presence of oxidizing agent, so nascent oxygen required. So this bond is break, this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen, and this oxygen, H2O replace, and this electron are free, so double bond are formed, CH3C double bond O CH3, that is means ketone are formed, 1 2 3, 3 carbon propane and suffix for ketone on, propanon. So it's IUPAC name of this compound. Next, like example, OH attached with benzene, so it is phenol. So phenol nascent oxygen add in the presence of KMnO4, so this bond, this hydrogen replace, and oxygen electron are free, double bond are formed, so its compound name is benzophenol. Then cyclohexanol we take, so oxidation in the presence of KMnO4, this is hydrogen replace and double bond are formed, so its name is cyclohexane, and ketonic group are attached, C double bond O ketonic group, suffix for ketone on, so cyclohexanol, hexanol. So was oxidation of 1-degree alcohol, aldehyde given, and oxidation of 2-degree alcohol given ketone. So oxidation of 3-degree alcohol whenever we take, so no reaction. Reason, because in 3-degree alcohol carbon bearing OH group has no hydrogen atom, so they are not oxidized. Like this example, OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach 1 2 and 3, this is 3-degree alcohol, and react with KMnO4 because here not a hydrogen, so not a hydrogen, no hydrogen, that is no replace, so it is reaction not a possible. So 1-degree alcohol, 2-degree alcohol, 1-degree alcohol given aldehyde, then after acid, and 2-degree alcohol oxidation given ketone, and 3-degree alcohol oxidation, it is not a possible. So question based on this oxidation, when 1-degree, 2-degree or 3-degree alcohol are passed over hot copper metal, so oxidation reaction occurs. So in this reaction dehydration of alcohols occurs. So 1-degree given aldehyde, RCHO, and secondary ketone. Like this example, 1-degree alcohol we take, OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach one carbon in the presence of copper, temperature 573 Kelvin. So CH3CH and oxidation, dehydration. So dehydration, CH3CHO form and hydrogen gas replace. Secondary we take, so again H2 replace and C double bond R form, ketonic group form, so propanol. Whenever take 3-degree alcohol, so this oxygen remove, so this oxygen OH we remove, so here this OH and here H, so H2 remove, so here double bond are formed, so alkene are formed. So 1 degree alcohol are formed in the presence of copper, 573 Kelvin temperature, so ethanol form. 2 degree alcohol we take, so ketonic propanone form, and 3 degree alcohol we take, so alkene are form. So its IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. So after 1 in and second CH3 methyl group attached, so 2 methyl propene. Second is cleavage of CO bond. So second is cleavage of CO bond. So first is Lucas test. Lucas test, it is very important, because alcohols on heating with concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to give chloroalkane. Like this example, anhydrous zinc chloride with concentrate HCl. So ROH react with HCl. So RCl and H2O remove. So chloroalkane are formed. For 3 degree alcohol, this test is very fast. We take 3 degree alcohol, OH attach with this carbon and this carbon attach 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 degree alcohol. So its name, IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Second methyl group and all. So 2 methyl propanol react with HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. So this OH2 H2O remove and Cl are attached. This is simple type of reaction. So name 2 chloro 2 methyl, so propane. 3 degree fast reaction, 2 degree less, and then 1 degree less. So in 1 degree difficult. So mechanism of Lucas test. First is we take concentrated HCl. So concentrated HCl ionized convert into H plus and Cl minus. Step first, we take 3 degree alcohol. So this is H plus reaction directly attack at oxygen, and oxygen given its electron. So oxygen positive charge and hydrogen attach. So its name is oxonium ion, and this oxonium ion slow step and water isolate, and this water remove. So water remove, so that is means positive charge created carbon. So it is this carbon attached 1, 2, 3, 3 degree. So 3 degree carbocation. What is the carbocation? Whenever positive charge at carbon, so it is known as carbocation. So it is more stable. So third step, 3 degree carbocation attach with Cl minus. So Cl minus attach. So Cl directly attach fastly, and so 3 degree haloalkane are formed. So this is Lucas test. It is very important in laboratory. In one test tube, given sample of alcohol is mixed with anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrate HCl. Shake and warmed slightly and kept for some time. So whenever after observation, if oily drops appear in short time on upper layer, it must be 3 degree alcohol. So we identify after 5 minutes mixture becomes milky, that is means it must be 2 degree. If mixture remains clear, that is means 1 degree. So by Lucas test, easily we have to find 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Next, second, cleavage of CO bond. Second is reaction of alcohol with PX3, phosphorus trihalide. So this reaction, it is very important, because PX3 compound easily available in laboratory, and 1 degree 2 degree react with PBr3. So while we take 1 degree alcohol, CH3 CH2OH. This is 1 degree. OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach one carbon. It is 1 degree alcohol. React with PBr3. So PBr3 react. So this bond is break. So Br are attached. So CH3 CH2 Br and 1 3 hydrogen, 3 oxygen and phosphorus form H3PO3, and its name is phosphorus acid. And CH3 CH2Br 2 carbon eth, so bromoethane. Second reaction, we take secondary alcohol. OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach two carbon. React with PBr3. This bond is break. Br easily attach. So 3H, 3O and 1P. Phosphorus acid are formed and 2 bromopropane are formed. So its mechanism. Step first, CH3, CH2OH. This is first 1 degree alcohol. PBr3. So 1 Br, this OH oxygen given its electron to phosphorus and Br attached with oxygen. See, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH2. Oxygen given its electron to phosphorus, so positive charge appear at oxygen and this hydrogen and phosphor PBr2 and 1 Br isolate. Then second step, this Br minus backside attack to carbon. So backside attack to carbon, so this bond is break. So CH3 CH2 Br and this H3 Br2 remove. HOP Br2. So main compound product is formed bromoethane. HOBr2 react other molecule of alcohol. So 3 moles of alcohol used with 1 mole of PBr3 and 3 moles of bromo alkane are formed. So third reaction is dehydration of alcohol. So second cleavage of CO bond. So cleavage of CO bond, first Lucas test, second alcohol with PX3 and third is dehydration of alcohol. And in this reaction only, this is very important and very easy reason, because whenever take 1 degree and 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol in the presence of H3PO4, phosphorus acid 85% we take H3PO4, otherwise we take concentrated H2SO4 and high temperature we take 373 to 473 Kelvin. So this OH this carbon and H this carbon, water isolate and double bond are formed, ethene are formed. Otherwise second we take 440 Kelvin for secondary alcohol, so propene are formed. So that is means whenever we take concentrated acid, so H2O water remove and double bond are formed. So like this example, CH3 CH OH CH3. So one side hydrogen and one side OH H2O remove and double bond are formed, propene are formed. So that is means water removal of water, it is known as dehydration, and this is reaction for 3 degree. It is very easy, and 3 degree represent dehydration of alcohol fastly, then after secondary, then after 1 degree. Mechanism ethanol. So CH3 CH2OH H plus fast in the presence of fast reaction. So this oxygen given its electron hydrogen, so positive charge appear and hydrogen attach, and this is represents slow step. So this water molecule out and here carbocation are formed, and this carbocation rearrangement, so this bond is going this between the carbon, so double bond are formed and this hydrogen remove, H plus form. So last is fourth, reduction of alcohol. In a closed vessel this reaction completed. Like first example we take methanol CH3OH react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus and heat. So OH, this is CH3, this bond is break and hydrogen attach with CH3H. So I2 iodine remove and this hydrogen react with OH H2O. So methane are formed, and whenever you take ethanol, so ethane are formed. So main reaction is whenever alcohol react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, so alkane are formed, and it is very important. So chemical reaction are over, and uses of methanol you read by book. Any have problem you discussed in next video, okay, and next topic I will be explain in next video. Thank you so much.